Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 6 potential altcoins to buy in the month of May. As we've just finished up, April, we're going into May and we're going to be looking at 6 potential buying opportunities for some, cryptocurrency coins right now. There's going to be 6 altcoins on our list. And now before we get into it, the market is down actually about 0.5% in the past 24 hours. If we take a look down here, Bitcoin's down about, 0.5% or so, trading at around 56,654. And then Ethereum's booming on higher, up about 2.8%, trading at around 2,900, almost at that 3,000 level. Dogecoin also doing very well, up about 9.6%, trading at around 38 cents per coin, which is great for Dogecoin right now as there's a lot of hype going on around it, probably going into the next week or so because of the whole Elon Musk on the Saturday Night Live show. So we'll be keeping an eye on Dogecoin for the rest of the week to see if it's going to break through that 50 cents barrier and continue to go higher or not. I know there's a lot of you guys out there that are bag holding it from the top, so you might, want to watch it very closely this week to see what happens with it. So the number one pick on our list is going to be Ethereum Classic. So we've talked about Ethereum Classic in the past, ETC. So this one has been doing very well in the past 24 hours or so, up about 13% almost, trading at around $45 per coin. Now the market cap on this Ethereum Classic is going to be 5.2 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours almost at 5 billion coins, and then the circulating supply is around 116.3 million coins. If we take a look here in the last week, this one's up about 51%. Massive gains, for any, coin like this. So huge gains, went from about $31 to $45 or so. Now this one even, dipped down here about $27 or so we saw. Now in the past month, it's up about 214%, guys. So if you would have even got in on this one in April, $1,000 would have turned into about $3,000 right now with this cryptocurrency. Now this coin, has been doing amazing. We did see it hit highs here actually when the whole Dogecoin hype happened at around $50, but then we saw that pullback all the way down to about $27. Great dip buying opportunity for anybody that got in. We mentioned this one in our videos in the past, probably a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and it's been doing very well. So this one on the 1 year chart up about 500%. So this seems to be just like the beginning right now. Ethereum Classic still seems to have a lot of potential to come, as it's only up 500%, in the past year or so, and 200% of those gains just happened in April. So this one could easily, continue to go up. I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum Classic do very well in 2021. Now, some of you guys are not familiar with Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic is a decentralized computing platform that executes smart contracts. Applications are ran exactly as programmed without the possibility of censorship, downtime, or third-party interference. Now, Ethereum Classic is a distributed network consisting of a blockchain ledger, native cryptocurrency ETC, and robust ecosystem of on-chain applications and services. Ethereum Classic provides a permissionless way to manage, digital assets without the need for intermediaries such as banks and other institutions. Ethereum Classic allows, uncensorable smart contracts to be written, deployed, and executed. ETC enables truly unstoppable programmable money. Ethereum Classic is the continuation of the altered history of the original Ethereum chain. The ETC network exists to preserve the principle of code is law. Now, you guys can learn more if you guys want to come out and check out the Ethereum website as well. So guys, Ethereum Classic, I think it's going to be booming for the next few months or so. And, especially if Bitcoin continues to go higher and these, altcoins continue to push higher as well, as they're starting to get their, they're ramping up. They're ramping up higher and higher in the past few months. First, we saw those large cap coins continue to boom on higher. And now we're seeing these other cryptocurrencies continue to push on higher as well, which is a good sign for us investors for a lot of potential gains. 100, 200% is, not unlikely on this one. So definitely want to watch on your list. Now, as always, guys, if you made it this far into the video, let's smash that like button. Let's get 300 plus likes on this video in the first 24 hours. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. We make a new video every single day on this channel about crypto or penny stocks or stocks in general. We love to talk about finances as well. So guys, leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency should we talk about in the next video? What cryptocurrency are you buying right now? And as always, if you guys want to, get your 2 free stocks, go ahead and check out the link in the description with VBull. You can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800 when you sign up today. Coming in at the number 2 spot for our favorite altcoin cryptocurrency is going to be Uniswap. So UNI. So this one right here, trading at around $42.50 per coin, up about 7% in the past 24 hours. Market cap for this one is going to be 22.3 billion, and then the volume in the past 24 hours about 1 billion coins, and the circulating supply is around 523.4 million coins. Now this one in the past week or so up about 40%. So another great opportunity, guys. You know, you would have made some serious gains on these coins. In the past month or so, it's up about 48%, and in the past year, almost 1,300%. If you would have invested $1,000 into this coin 1 year ago, it would be worth around almost $13,000 right now. So massive gains to be made out there, guys. You know, even when you think that there's no more potential left, there's always going to be some potential happening. So Uniswap, if we take a look here on the website, so this is going to be a leading decentralized crypto exchange that, you know, runs on Ethereum blockchain. Uniswap is a completely different type of exchange that's fully decentralized, which means it isn't owned and operated by a single entity and uses a relatively new type of trading module called an automated liquidity protocol. Now with this one, Uniswap is also, you know, completely open source, so anyone can copy the code to create their own decentralized exchange and can list tokens on the exchange for free. Now, because Uniswap is decentralized, it means users maintain, you know, content of their, you know, fund at all times, as opposed to, you know, a centralized exchange that requires traders to give up control of their private keys so that, you know, orders can be logged on the internal database now rather than be executed on the blockchain, which takes more, you know, and is also more expensive. So this is what Uniswap is, and you know, Uniswap is doing very, very well right now. They're doing very well, you know, as a coin as well. They're following this trend. I mean, in the past month, it's up about, you know, like we said, 40% just in the past week. So Uniswap is definitely doing very, very well right now as a coin, and I think that this cryptocurrency could have some more potential as we get into May. And the number 3 altcoin cryptocurrency is going to be Litecoin. So Litecoin LTC. This one was a very, very popular one in 2017. A lot of people were on, you know, Litecoin. We had Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, the big trio. Now this one, market cap at around 18 billion almost. Volume in the past 24 hours, 3.5 billion coins. The circulating supply is around 66.8 million coins. This one's up about 0.5% in the past 24 hours. But the good thing here, in the past week, this one is up about 19%. It was down here at lows of about 211. Now it's all the way to about 270. Now in the past 1 month, this one's up 32%. In the past year, 445%. On the all-time chart, up about 8,800%. Massive gains right there. But in the past year, it's still slow. This one is still slow compared to these other coins that have went up hundreds of percents in a matter of, you know, months, not years. So this one's still lagging behind, just like the Ethereum Classic that we talked about, where there's just way more potential for it to continue on the upside and be worth more money in the future. Obviously, Litecoin, if we take a look, you know, what Litecoin actually is. So Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that, you know, enables instant near zero cost payments to anyone in the world. Now, Litecoin is an open source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Now, mathematics secures the network and empowers individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin features faster than transaction confirmation times and improved storage efficiency that leaded, you know, math-based currency with substantial industry support, trade volume, and liquidity. Litecoin is a proven medium of commerce complementary to Bitcoin. So obviously, you know, Litecoin still doing very well. You know, it used to be like we had like the gold and the silver. Litecoin was kind of like the silver, and Bitcoin was kind of like the gold back in the day. But now obviously Litecoin has, you know, lost some of its spark, and people have other coins in mind instead of Litecoin. But it used to be the big trio back in the day. Coming in at the number 4 spot for our altcoin cryptocurrency is going to be VECHAIN, VET. So this one right now is trading at around 21 cents per coin, up about 8% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, up about 18%. In the past month, 136%. And on the 1 year chart, over 4,500%. Massive gains. This coin was trading around 0.0045. So this, you know, this reminds me a lot of Dogecoin, because Dogecoin was trading around, you know, 0.00 a few pennies, you know, fractions of pennies, I guess you could say. And now look at, you know, where Dogecoin is right now. So with VECHAIN, market cap 13.5 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at around 2.3 billion, and then the circulating supply is around 64.3 billion coins. Now VECHAIN, if we take a look here, the public blockchain that, you know, derives its value from activities created by members within the ecosystem solving real-world economic problems. That's what they are. So VECHAIN, designed to enhance supply chain management and business processes. Its goal is to streamline these processes and information flow for complex supply chains through the use of distributed ledger technologies, DLT. Now, the VECHAIN platform contains 2 distinct tokens. We have the VECHAIN tokens, VET, and the VECHAIN Thor Energy, VTHO. The form is used to transfer, value across VeChain's network, and the latter is used as energy or gas to power smart contract transactions. So that is actually what VeChain is. The key takeaways, obviously, VeChain is an enterprise blockchain platform that aims to provide a full view of an organization by disintermediating information from data silos. Now, VeChain also plans to become a leading platform for initial coin offerings, ICOs, and for conducting transaction between Internet of Things (IoT) connected devices. VeChain makes use of two tokens, VeChain tokens VET, and as a value layer, and VeChain Thor Energy VTHO as a smart contract layer as well. So if you want to understand VeChain more, you guys can come out and check out what they are. But we're just looking right now at their potential, and I think that VeChain has a lot more room to grow. Market cap is still at 13.5 billion, so it has so much more potential. This coin could easily be trading at around $1 per coin, which would give it about another, 400% or so on the upside, even potentially 500%, which would give it market cap at around 50 billion or so, a little bit higher than that. And I think that that is a real potential for VeChain in the future. Now, before we get into this number 5 altcoin cryptocurrency, smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. I want to make sure you guys smash that like button. It only takes a second. It helps the YouTube channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps the channel grow in general. So I really do appreciate it, guys, and subscribe to the channel as well. So NEO, we've talked about this one, and it's been booming, guys. If you guys missed that video, that's why you want to stay subscribed, because if you take a look back, we talked about NEO when it was lower, and it's been doing amazing. So NEO, $103.50 right now, 8% higher in the 24 hours. In the past week, up about 30%, guys. We talked about it when it was down here in the 70s. So if you would have got in on the 70s, you'd be up about 30% or so. Now in the past month, up about 95%. It was here at highs of about 120, 100, and a little bit higher than that, potentially 133 at one point. In the past year, NEO is up about 1,000%, which is, still massive. I mean, it was trading around, $10 per coin. Market cap on NEO is at around 7.3 billion right now, with the volume in the past 24 hours 1.7 billion. The circulating supply at around 70 million coins, guys. That is a lot of coins. So NEO, I like them a lot. So the complete blockchain development platform, that's what they call themselves. So all in one, all in NEO. That's their quote. NEO is new again, guys. So why NEO? So NEO was founded as an ANKR by the Hongfei and Aaron Zhang in China in 2014 and rebranded as NEO in June 2017. It is a blockchain-based platform that supports its own cryptocurrency and enables the development of digital assets and smart contracts. Now, NEO aims to automate the management of digital assets through the use of smart contracts, with an eventual aim to build a distributed network-based smart economy system. Now, obviously, digital equivalents on the NEO platform. NEO theoretically describes its smart economy system as digital assets plus digital identity plus the smart contracts equals the smart economy. So assets can be easily digitized on the NEO blockchain in an open, decentralized, trustworthy, traceable, and transparent manner that is free of intermediaries and their associated costs. Users are also able to record, buy, sell, exchange, or circulate various kinds of assets. The NEO platform allows for linking the physical assets with the equivalent and unique digital avatars on its network. NEO also supports the protection of assets. Those assets registered on its platform have a validated digital identity and are protected by the law. Digital identity enables verifiable key information about participating individuals, organizations, and other entities that exist in the digital context. NEO is this is a very smart coin in my opinion, and I think that a lot of people are undervaluing NEO and what it could, potentially be in the future. I would not be surprised if NEO coin was trading at $1,000 per coin in the next 5 years or so, which would potentially give it about almost a 10x, guys. Market cap would be about 73, 75 billion, in total. I definitely could see NEO trading at around that level in the next 5 years, outlook. So around 2025 or so. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for educational purposes only. Before investing into any cryptocurrency or stocks in general, speak to your financial advisor, obviously, and do your own due diligence. This is just for entertaining purposes. So NEO is definitely one that I'm going to be keeping an eye out on in May and potentially the next few months to see how it moves. And last but not least, the number 6 spot for our altcoin cryptocurrency is going to be Pancakeswap, CAKE, cake. This one is very, a lot of people like these coins that have very simple names or, attractive names. Just like in the stock market where we have, symbols like NEO and stuff like that. We have the, Tesla and things like that, names that are very similar. Or if you have like meme names, I guess you could say, those are the names that a lot of people tend to remember more easily than other ones. Like, you might have some crazy symbol that's like SMRT. Who's going to remember that? But if you have something more, reliable like Cake right here, a lot more people are going to remember that. So this one's trading around $41.76, up about 7% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, 47.8%, almost 50%, guys. In the past month, 143%. In the past year, over 2,600%. And this is just the beginning, I believe, for Pancakeswap as well. Look at the market cap, guys. Only 6.7 billion right now. This has so much potential in my opinion. The market cap is so low. It's still, medium or low cap coin. These medium and low cap coins have a lot of potential to run up higher. I wouldn't be surprised if this was trading at around $150, $200 in the next couple of years for sure. Volume in the past 24 hours, 773 million coins. Circulating supply at around 160.4 million coins as well. Obviously, if we guys take a look at the Pancakeswap website, it's very attractive, to the eye. It's almost like a video game if you look at this. This is something you would have seen 5-10 years ago on a video game that would be attracted to high schoolers or people like that. And there's a lot of different things. They have farms and staking, obviously. They have your, lottery winnings right here. They have different things that you guys can look at. Lottery with right here, as you see the number up for grabs. They have just different type of things. Total value locked in, TVL. They have so much, different things, and it's very attractive for anybody pretty much. I like their website as well. So a guide to Pancakeswap. So another food-themed DeFi protocol, it, guys. So Pancakeswap is a Binance Smart Chain-based DEX launched by an anonymous devs with a penchant for breakfast foods and rabbits. So it looks a bit like Ethereum Sushi Swap, but also incorporates many other features that let you, earn rewards. And the rewards are the part that a lot of people like about this. So the food-based farming craze has captivated participants in the crypto space for months. In the latest wave of DeFi protocols, we've seen numerous platforms emerge that allow users to stake their funds in return for the protocol's tokens. The bulk of this activity has been, concentrated on the Ethereum blockchain. As one of the earliest blockchains supporting smart contract, it has sprawling community of users, developers, and tools for building powerful decentralized applications. And obviously, you guys can see down here what is Pancakeswap, how it works, and all these different things. The exchange that they have, the farming and staking on Pancakeswap, which is something I like a lot. So right here, Pancake allows you to farm its governance tokens, Cake. So on the farm, you can deposit your LP tokens, lock them up in a process that rewards you with Cake, which is the coin, which LP tokens can use, you deposit on here. Well, there's a list right here. So Cake, BNB, we have BUSD, BETH, USDT, USDC, DIA, LINK, and then TWT. The reward don't end here. However, you can earn even more by staking your Cake in syrup pools. So you've deposited some funds to receive LP tokens. Now you use them to farm Cake. From there, you can stake your Cake and earn other tokens through the special staking pools. Now, the biggest syrup pool is simply for Cake, where you can stake your Cake to earn even more Cake, guys. I know it's a tongue twister. But there are many, many more tokens you can, earn by staking Cake. So be sure to check out, the syrup pool page and see how it all works, obviously, and how you guys can use Cake and the whole Pancakeswap experience. This is a very interesting one. It's kind of almost, it gives you like a vibe, like it's almost like a video game, guys. And that's where you want to be careful, because it might attract you too much. You might remind you of your childhood, and you want to start, doing things on here. But make sure you do your own research, obviously, before doing any of that, guys. Now, guys, obviously, those are the 6 altcoins on our list. But we're going to take a look right here at Ethereum before we wrap up this video, guys. We like to look at Ethereum because that is my favorite coin in the altcoin space, I guess you could say, or the whole cryptocurrency, space. I like Ethereum a lot, and we hit highs up here of almost 3,000. We were almost at 3,000 per coin, guys. We're doing massive gains on Ethereum, up about 32% in the past week, in the past month 48%, and the past year only about 1,200 only. Oh, look at me, I'm saying only. It's up about 1,200%, guys. $1,000, and this one would have been around $12,000 right now. Massive gains with Ethereum, and this is just the beginning. My personal prediction, obviously, is $10,000 per coin in the future, which would give it a market cap at around 1 trillion, and I think that could easily happen in the next few years. So Ethereum is definitely one of my favorite coins, in overall. I like it way more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, I feel like so many people are already in Bitcoin. It's overhyped. I think Ethereum is going to be the real winner in the long run for long-term investors. Now, as always, guys, I truly do appreciate for you guys for viewing my content. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button. Let's aim for as many likes as we can, guys. I challenge you guys. It takes 1 second. Just click that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. Let's go for 30,000 subscribers by the end of May. I know you guys can do it. As always, leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency should I be buying in the next few weeks, or what cryptocurrency should I talk about in the upcoming videos? As always, guys, if you enjoyed, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.